In this video, we will focus on student identities and mental health in the online classroom. What does identity mean? The meaning of identity is fluid and can take on various meanings dependent on the issues surrounding identity, such as religion, education, or politics. For the purposes of this video, we will look at two forms of identity in education, one being claimed and the other being assigned. An assigned identity is given to you by others. A claimed identity is one you acknowledge or claim for yourself. How do students recognize their identity? The acceptance of identities as either assigned or claimed are largely based on societal expectations. In the past, students did not take issue with an assigned identity since, generally speaking, everyone in the class came from the same cultural background and socioeconomic status. However, over the course of time, cultural backgrounds began to become more diverse, and gaps between socioeconomic status in society allowed some students to claim an identity rather than have one assigned to them. Students who were not able to make the transition to online classrooms may have felt their identities being assigned to them, as they relied on their schools to provide necessary support in order to be able to participate in learning. When looking at the mental health and well-being of students in the online classroom, it is important to look at the factors that may impact student identities. Students may find it challenging to handle the emotions of being seen by others as not being ready to participate in the online classroom due to their family's socioeconomic status. Students may find it bothersome trying to learn while also trying to navigate the new learning platforms and being seen by others in the online classroom as not being familiar with technology. Students may find it upsetting that they can't simply learn by watching, but need to physically engage in the learning and being seen by others in the online classroom as not understanding the lesson. When students feel that they are all provided the same opportunities by their teachers, then this may allow for students to feel empowered to claim their own identities and believe in themselves enough to gain the confidence and enthusiasm to become more active members in the online classroom. Learn more about mental health topics in education by visiting our website at education.net/mentalhealthtopics. For more videos on mental health topics in education, please like, share, and subscribe to Education Recipes for Learning. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think about student identities in the online classroom. And until next time, keep learning and have fun.